Hi, this video has a demo on headless browser testing. The headless browser testing, as per the requirement which was placed in the last meeting, have been driven on the modular driven framework, where a part of the module is going to work on the UI as it did earlier, and the login functionality which we did is going to work on the headless browser testing. Because I could not make UI in the headless browser concept, as headless browser does not have JavaScripts which are running inside it, and my UI has a JavaScript which is running at the backend just to work in the functionality of highlight. So I could not make it work for UI testing, whereas I could make it work for the functionality testing, which I have created a demo on the same concept of the Vibrant Technologies web page. Getting on to the concept, I have just replaced the web driver with a Phantom.js driver, which is a headless browser. And let me just drive the code similarly as I did earlier. So driving the code will first open a Firefox browser to go ahead with UI testing, and once the Firefox browser testing is performed completely, you will not have any browser initiated like earlier, which initiated Chrome. You will not have any browsers initiated now. Instead of the Chrome driver, now we have used a Phantom.js driver, which is a headless browser. Headless browser is all about working without opening a browser, where there will not be any front end, only the functionalities will happen and the codes and scriptings will run behind. So you can see that the code is still running with all headless browser codes going around, and when we just get on to this automation process, that is the test results, the test is still running, and so you would not get any result updated. So it's in the process of running, and yeah, you can see here that the headless browser testing is being performed, whereas there is no browser apart from this basic Firefox opened up. And you have got the same result again, wherein all the test cases has passed except for the one which we forcibly failed have been failed, and the one which we forcibly skipped. So you can see the result again in the same process, wherein you will have a emailable report. The emailable report again gives you the same details. The same details because it's a headless browser testing for the same verification criteria. And you will have details about all your logs updated here in your emailable report. And let's just get on to the UI environment of the report, that is ATU, wherein you can just clearly compare between the two reports and say what is the functionality. So we have totally 27 runs, and earlier it was 26. So this 27th run corresponds to the headless browser activity, which just has a ATU report similar to that of your 26th run. So getting on to the environment of consolidated reports, you can see that both the tests has the same amount of output. So this proves that a headless browser can also function the same way as that of your normal browser, but then with a few restrictions of not able to run the JavaScripts or certain other restrictions. Thank you.